Welcome to YouTube Kids Learning Independence Day Quiz. Selected 50 questions and answers. Question: when did India become an independent country? Answer: August 15, 1947. Question: when was Mahatma Gandhi born? Answer: 1869 in Gujarat, Porbandar. Question: which day is observed as the Republic Day of India? Answer: 26th January. Question: from whom did India get independence? Answer: from the British. Question: which day is observed as the Indian Independence Day? Answer: August 15. Question: who became the first Prime Minister of India after independence? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: where did Nehru raise the national flag of India on 15th August 1947? Answer: Red Fort. Question: who is known as the father of India? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Question: in which year was the Indian National Congress formed? Answer: 1885. Question: who said, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it"? Answer: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question: who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question: who founded the Indian National Army? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Question: in which year was the Indian National Army formed? Answer: 1943. Question: which leader was known as Netaji? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Question: who was the first president of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: who is known as Chachaji? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: which day is observed as Gandhi Jayanti? Answer: 2nd October. Question: who wrote Glimpses of World History and Discovery of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: who was the second Prime Minister of India after independence? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question: what is the national motto of India? Answer: Satyameva Jayate. Question. On which day did India adopt its constitution? Answer. 26 January 1950. Question. Who was the main architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer. B.R. Ambedkar. Question. Who wrote India's national anthem? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Question. Who was the last British Governor General to rule India? Answer. Lord Mountbatten. Question. Who led the Salt March from Ahmedabad to Dandi? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Question. Who was the killer of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer. Nathuram Vinayak Godse. Question. What was the total population of the country at the time of the first post-independence census? Answer. 36 crore. Question. Who was known as Kesari of Punjab? Answer. Lal Lajpat Rai. Question. In which language was Jana Gana Mana written? Answer. Bengali. Question. Which city is known as Pink City? Answer. Jaipur. Question. Which is the national anthem of India? Answer. Jana Gana Mana. Question. In which year was the first round table conference held? Answer. 12 November 1930 at London. Question. Who hoisted the flag at the National Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi this year, 2021? Answer. Ramnath Govind. Question. Who wrote the poem Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer. Muhammad Iqbal. Question. When did Vasco da Gama discover the sea route to India? Answer. 1498. Question. In which part of India did the Mappila riots take place? Answer. Malabar region. Question. Who were the Indian freedom fighters who killed a British official in Britain? Answer. Udham Singh. Question. Who told you this? Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Answer. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question. What do the three colors of the national flag represent? Answer: sacrifice, peace, and prosperity. Question: who designed the Indian national flag? Answer: Pingali Venkaiah. Question: who is popularly known as Kerala Gandhi? Answer: K. Kelappan. Question: who is known as Kerala Lion? Answer: Palashiraja. Question: what is the significance of 1930s in the history of freedom struggle? Answer: Salt March. Question: where was the first freedom struggle of 1857 erupted? Answer: Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Question: how many round table conferences were held during the freedom struggle? Answer: 3. 1930, 1931, 1932. Question: in which year was the partition of Bengal carried out? Answer: 1905. Please subscribe for new feeds. Thank you.